Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to make lobster grilled cheese. Start by sourcing cooked lobster meat, gently chopping it, and patting it dry. Mix lobster with mayo, a squeeze of lemon, and a pinch of salt for flavor balance. Butter the bread lightly and layer cheese and lobster evenly to avoid uneven melting. Heat a pan over medium and cook until golden and cheese is melted through. For the filling, take care to dry the lobster to keep the sandwich crisp. Combine lobster with a small amount of mayo or creme fraiche so the filling stays creamy without overwhelming the shellfish. Add lemon zest, a squeeze of lemon juice, salt, and a pinch of cayenne to brighten and lift the flavors. Taste and adjust seasoning gently so lobster remains the star of the sandwich. Heat a skillet to medium so the bread browns slowly while cheese melts evenly. Butter the outsides of the bread and assemble with cheese both under and over the lobster to trap heat. Place sandwich in the pan and press gently with a spatula to encourage contact. Cook until the first side is deep golden, then flip and finish until cheese is gooey and lobster is warmed through.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.